First of all, what I am going to do is, first of all, I'll read it and you are supposed to keep the fingers on your book, okay? And after the explanation, I'll ask you to do the reading, and those who will be doing the reading won't do this explanation, okay? And the other will do the explanation if we do not run out of time, okay? So just let's start. And okay, so those who don't have the book, I wanted to open my screen share with you so that you can see it. Give me a minute. What happened? I don't know why I'm unable to share the picture. It's not opening. Okay. Beta, those who don't have the book, I really apologize. I am trying, but I don't know why, what's happening. Okay, here it is. It's now visible. Okay, okay. So let me share my screen now. Can you all see the screen? Can you all see the screen? Give me a thumbs up, beta. Okay, Ayan Ahmed there. Okay, give me a thumbs up. Okay. Okay, good to see that you all you can see the screen. Okay. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to read it for you, and then I'll make sure that every one of you do the reading. Okay, Punjab. Punjab is one of the, province of Pakistan, right? So let's learn about it, that what are some of the interesting things about Punjab. Punjab is the central part of Pakistan. It is the most populated province. Now, what are they telling you? They're telling that Punjab is the central part of Pakistan. It's a central part, okay, of Pakistan. It is the most populated. बहुत ही populated province है ये. Populated का मतलब बहुत लोग रहते हैं पंजाब में. It's the most populated. बहुत ज़्यादा population है वहाँ पर. Most of the land is covered by the Indus Plains. मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लान्स, मतलब वहां पे जितने भी प्लेन्स हैं वो किससे कवर्ड है? इंडस प्लेन से. जो पूरा लैंड है वो किससे कवर्ड है? थ्रू द इंडस प्लेन्स. फार्मिंग इज कॉमन इन दिस एरिया. इट इज द फूड बास्केट ऑफ पाकिस्तान. पीपल कॉल इट अ फूड बास्केट ऑफ पाकिस्तान. पंजाब को फूड बास्केट भी कहा जाता है. और फार्मिंग वहां पे बहुत कॉमन है इन डिफरेंट एरियाज. ओके, देन wheat, cotton, sugarcane, maize, rice, potatoes, citrus, and mango are the important crops of Punjab. These the some of the names of the crops they have given. These are the important crops of Punjab. Mountains and a vast plateau are found in the north of Punjab. As we learned that all the provinces have their different directions, like 4 directions. So the north of Punjab, or Punjab also has the 4 directions, in which the north direction has the mountains and the vast plateaus. Punjab has 2 deserts, the Cholistan Desert and the Thal Desert. Okay, so there are 2 deserts in Punjab. The names are given in the book as well. Punjab is the land of 5 rivers. Okay, so because Punjab has the 5 rivers, so we Pakistanis do call it the land of rivers, because it has how many rivers? 5 rivers. Indus is the main river, while the other rivers are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, and Satluj. Okay, these are the 5 rivers which are located, which are found in Punjab. That's why Punjab is known as the um, land of rivers. Okay, now let's move to the next paragraph. Most of the people in Punjab live in villages. Lahore is the provincial capital of Punjab. Multan, Rawalpindi, Jhelum, Sialkot, Dera Ghazi Khan, and Gujranwala are the other main cities. So these are some of the main cities, and Lahore is the provincial capital, okay, of Punjab, and most of the people of Punjab do live in villages. Okay, so I hope that you people are now able to read it, and let's start giving a chance to although I decided to give you a chance through alphabetical order, so that each and everyone can get a chance, because alphabetical order follow करेंगे ना तो वो बहुत easy होगा. अगर मैं इस तरह से आप लोगों के hand raise follow करूंगी तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. So but I'll continue this from tomorrow, not today, because already I promised Abraham and Hassan to give the chance, right? So okay, let's do it. Let's do the alphabetical order. And Hassan, I'm giving him the chance. He'll read 4 sentences, and after that, Hassan, you'll read 4 sentences. Then Ayan Ashraf, I'll give you a chance. Yes, Abraham, unmute yourself.
Punjab. Punjab is in the central part of Pakistan. It is the most populated province. Most of the land is covered by the Indus Plain. Farming is common in this area.
Thank you so much, Abraham.
It is the food basket of Pakistan.
Abraham, thank you.
Thank you. You have.
Okay, Hassan, yes, unmute and read the 4 sentences. Unmute करो बेटे. Hassan, unmute yourself. बेटा अब ट्राई करो फिर से. Yes. Yes, Hassan.
It is the food basket of Pakistan.
Very good.
Wheat, cotton, sugar cane, maize, rice, potatoes, citrus, and mango are important crops. Mountains and plateaus are found in the north of Punjab. Punjab has
Very
two
good.
deserts.
Thank you, Hassan. You have read the 4 sentences, bete. Thank you so much, Hassan. Yes, Ayan Ashraf, unmute yourself. Start reading this. Read these 2 lines. I
Two
can't hear you.
desert. Punjab has 2 deserts, the Cholistan desert and the Thal desert. Punjab
Very
is
good.
the
Thank you.
land
Thank
of
you, Ayan Ashraf. Thank you, beta.
While the other rivers are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, and Satluj.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Ayan Abbas. Okay. No one is raising hand now? Okay, yes, here. G, Ziba, unmute yourself. Ziba.
मिस कहाँ से पढ़नी है?
बेटा, most of the people live in Punjab से पढ़ना है.
Most of the people in Punjab live in
Villages.
villages.
Lahore.
Lahore is the
Provincial.
provincial
Capital.
capital of Punjab.
Very good. Thank you, Ziba. Yes, Alicia Altaf, unmute yourself. Read the continue this paragraph.
Multan,
Yes.
Multan, Rawalpindi, Jhelum.
Very good.
Oh,
Sialkot. Okay. Yes, Iman Akil. Read this whole paragraph from most of the people till main cities.
okay. Most of the people in Punjab lived in villages. Lahore is the province capital of Punjab.
Provincial capital.
Provincial capital of Punjab. Multan, Rawalpindi,
Jhelum.
Jhelum,
Sialkot.
Sialkot,
Dera Ghazi. Very good.
Dera Ghazi Khan, and
Gujranwala.
Gujranwala are the other main cities.
Very good. Thank you, Iman. Okay, let's start the reading again from the first line. Yes, Manahil, unmute yourself. जी मनाहिल फर्स्ट लाइन से रीड करना स्टार्ट कीजिए.
Punjab is in the central part of Pakistan.
Good.
It is the populate province. Most of the land is covered by the Indus lands.
Very good. Thank you, Manahil. Okay. Yes, Alishba, unmute yourself and continue reading from farming is common. Alishba, unmute कीजिए.
Okay, miss.
Yes. Now you can read.
Farming is common in the area. It is the food basket of Pakistan. Wheat, cotton, sugarcane, maize, rice, potatoes, citrus, and mango are important crops. Mountain and
Thank you, Alishba. Okay. Yes, Ayan Ahmed, unmute yourself and continue reading from mountains.
from where?
From mountains.
From started.
Sorry, Ayan Ahmed, I can't understand what you're saying. Zainab, I can see you better. Wait.
Mountains and the west plateau are found in north of Punjab. Punjab has two deserts, the Choltan Desert and the Thal Desert.
Thal Desert. Very good. Thank you, Ayan Ahmed.
Rivers
Thank you, Ayhan Ahmed. Fariha, unmute yourself, beta, and now start reading from Punjab is the land of 5 rivers. ये पैराग्राफ पढ़ना है आप.
Punjab, Miss Where?
Yes.
Yes, Miss, I can found it. Punjab is the land of 5 rivers. Indus is the main river, while the other rivers are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, and Satluj.
Very good. Thank you so much, Fariha. Yes, Zainab, unmute yourself and now read this paragraph.
Most of the people in Punjab live in villages. Lahore is the provincial capital of Punjab. Multan, Rawalpindi, Jhelum, Sialkot, Dera Ghazi Khan, and
Gujranwala.
are the other main countries.
Cities. Okay, thank you. Now I'm going to unmute those students who did not took part in the reading time. Okay, and those are okay, Hani Imran, you were raising your hand. Mahin, I'll unmute you after Hania. Hania, unmute yourself, beta. कहाँ चले गए आप? Okay, Hania, unmute yourself and read from the first line. Hania, where are you? Okay.
Punjab is in the central part of Pakistan. It is the most populated province. Most of the land is covered by the Indus Plains.
Very good. Thank you, Hania. Okay. Yes, Mahin, unmute yourself. Alicia, you already got a chance, so I'm going to give you a chance again.
Punjab is the land of 5 rivers.
बेटा इधर देखिए, look at the screen share where I'm sharing. हानिया ने ना यहाँ तक पढ़ा था. Most of the land is covered by the Indus Plain. So you are supposed to start reading from farming is common. Mahin, talking to you.
Common in this area, it is the food basket of Pakistan. Wheat, cotton, sugarcane, maize, rice, potatoes, citrus, and mango are important crops.
Thank you, Mahin. Yes, Abdullah, unmute yourself and continue reading from mountains and a vast plateau.
Mountain, west plateau.
Vast plateau.
Vast plateaus are found in the north of Punjab. Punjab has 2 deserts, the Cholistan Desert and the Thal Desert.
Very good. Thank you, Abdullah. Yes, Talbiha, unmute yourself and read this part. Punjab is the land of 5 rivers.
Punjab is the land of 5 rivers. Indus is the main river,
While the other rivers
are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, and Satluj.
Very good. Thank you. Yes, Malahim, unmute yourself. Read this paragraph.
Most of the people in Punjab live in village. Lahore is the province capital of Punjab.
Provincial
Multan,
capital.
Rawalpindi, Jhelum, Sialkot, Dar, Jay Khan, and Jaranwala are the other main cities.
Okay, thank you so much, Malahim. Okay, so I hope everyone got a chance. No, Abdul Bari did not do the reading. Abdul Bari, Asad Ahmad, Fahad Shehzad, Faik, Iman Umar, and Imama, Rehan, Chabi Fatma, Shehryar. These people did not took a part in this reading time. And I told you before that this class participation has marks. So how will you get the marks if you won't do the reading or you won't answer? और मतलब आप क्लास में participate ही नहीं करोगे बेटे, तो आपको कैसे marks मिलेंगे class participation के? Can you please tell me that? Faik, no need to lie down and take the class. आप लोगों को रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस बहुत अच्छे से सेंड किए गए थे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे. Why you people do not follow it? उसके अंदर हर चीज क्लियर थी कि बेटे यू आर नॉट सपोज टू लाई डाउन ऑन योर बेड. हम स्कूल में भी बेड्स में तो नहीं बैठते ना. हम स्कूल पे चेयर टेबल यूज करते हैं, हम डेस्क यूज करते हैं, राइट? बट स्टिल फाइक इज लाइंग डाउन. बेटे पहले तो मैं आप लोगों का नाम कॉल आउट नहीं करती थी, इन जनरल बात कर रही थी. बट ना फ्रॉम नाउ आई विल कॉल यू आउट योर नेम्स. Okay, so shall we end our class? But no need to leave because I am going to take your attendance. So as soon as I call your name, ठीक है? Alisha bete, I gave you a chance. Okay, so as soon as I call your names, right? So unmute yourself only when I call your name. जब मैं आपका name call करूँ, अपने खुद को unmute कीजिएगा, ठीक है? And then say present and then you can leave the class, okay? Okay, so Ayan Ahmed. Ayan Ahmed, he's gone.
मिस
जी
मिस वो ना मैं आपको कल भिजवा दूंगा कॉपी. मिस वो मुझे लेनी कब है?
बेटे मैं व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप के थ्रू इन्फॉर्म कर दूंगी.
ओके.
ओके. अब्दुल बारी. अब्दुल बारी. Abdul Barif. Okay, he is, I don't know. Alishba. Alishba Hamid. बेटा अनम्यूट कीजिए और फिर अटेंडेंस बोलिए प्रेजेंट.
Present.
ओके. अलीशा अल्ताफ.
Miss, can I leave?
श्योर. अलीशा अल्ताफ.
प्रेजेंट.
Okay, you can go Alisha. Asad Ahmed.
प्रेजेंट.
Okay, Asad, you can go. Ishal Yasir. Okay, Ishal Yasir is also not with us. Iman Akil. Iman Akil. Ayan, you can go. I have marked your attendance present. Ishal Khan. Ishal Khan. Okay, no Ishal Khan as well. Fahad Shehzad.
प्रेजेंट.
Faik Mirza.
प्रेजेंट.
Iman Umar.
Present. Present.
Okay, Iman. Malahim.
प्रेजेंट.
Okay, Mariam Khan. Ayan Ashraf.
Present.
Shabi Fatma.
मिस मेरी कब आएगी?
Shabi Fatma.
Present.
Imama. Imama.
Can I leave?
Yes, sure. Shabi, you can leave. Zainab, you can leave. Ziba, you can. Okay, Ziba already left. Only, I guess, only 3 greens, 3 reds.
Present.
Hania Imran, you can also go, beta. I have marked your attendance. Okay.
Present, Miss. Present.
Okay, Mama, you can leave. Abdul Bari, you can leave. Zainab, you can leave as well. 3 red students, wait. I'll mark your attendance. Give me a minute. Ayan Nek Mohammed. Ayan Nek Mohammed, is he present? Zainab, you can leave beta. Okay, he is not present. Abraham? Abraham?
Present.
Okay, you can go. Fariha?
Present.
Hussain Raza? Maham Asif? Maham Asif? She was here, but now she is not. Maheen? Maheen? Manahil? मनाहिल बेटा मुझे देखना नहीं है, अनम्यूट करके प्रेजेंट बोलना था. शेर
Present, teacher.
Okay, you can leave now.
Present
Ayan
teacher.
Abbas,
Present, teacher.
Rehan Rizwan,
Present, teacher.
Miss,
Ji,
I can leave.
yes.
Teacher, I
Yes, Manahil, go. Abdullah, you can also leave. Ahsan,
Okay, miss. Bye.
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 Hassan,
Present, miss.
okay, you can go. Okay, Talbi, I have marked your attendance. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Have a good day ahead.